Do you wish na one day mag-work in a big program in our
alam mo, it'll come around. Like, we've worked together on a commercial, I cameoed sa music video niya. Slowly but surely, like, I think it has to be a really good project for us to work together. Siyempre, ayaw naman namin yung masabi lang na nagkatrabaho lang kami, di ba? Dapat maganda yung script, maganda yung story, maganda yung paglalatag ng lahat as part of the project. But, hanggang wala pa, okay lang. It's not naman something that we, parang, alam mo yun, kailangan mangyari siya. Basta, if it comes around, it comes around.
Pero pinag-usapan nyo na sana, alam mo na, Sister Rhea, one of this day.
Kasi kami, when we're together, we talk about our personal life. We're not, work mode is off. So, as much as possible, kung may frustrations man lang kami sa work, yun lang. And then, pagkatapos nun wala na. It's about we are as human beings. Tapos na muna yung trabaho.
May mga speculations doon na over the back ka daw sa tour. Ano masasabi mo dito?
Eh, nandito ako sa Panday screening. O sige, paano?